subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola launched its new entry-level phone under G series in India called Moto G04. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G04 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G04 sports a single 16-megapixel rear camera with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, but the user will get 10 watts charger inside the box. Additionally, the smartphone features inside-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos technology for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.49 by 74.53 by 8mm, and it weighs around 178.8 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G04 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 7,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from February 22nd, in Concord Black, Satin Blue, Sea Green, and Sunrise Orange color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G04 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.